What's going on there, beautiful people? Just got through washing the truck after an all-day estate sale clean out. I got to put a whole bunch of stuff in the truck, so just got to make sure the truck is nice and clean. So I just got through washing it. Making sure that it looks nice and clean. Got all the debris out the back, so I can drive tomorrow without all the junk, all the gunk that was in there. Looks good. Okay. But Larry did a good job. So yep, there's my swell bottle. Doing that. Looks good. All right, looks good. Well, I just got to dry it off, but I hope you guys are having a blessed evening. I want to drive tomorrow in style, so I hope all is well with you. I hope you guys had a blessed Sunday. Hope you guys got your praise on. Hope you had a lot of thanksgiving and gratitude to throw up to Almighty God. So have a nice evening. As always, walk with the King. Be a blessing. Peace.